In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Salesforce password. By the end of this short walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to fill out, so your password is updated safely and correctly. To follow along smoothly, make sure you're already signed in to your Salesforce account and that you know your current password. Start by looking to the top right corner of the Salesforce screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might show your initials or a small avatar. Click that icon to open a quick menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This takes you into your personal settings area, which is where Salesforce keeps options that affect your own account, like language, time zone, and of course, password. Once the settings page loads, look over to the left-hand pane. This is the navigation menu for your personal settings. Scroll if you need to, then find and select Change My Password. It's usually grouped with other personal information sections. Clicking it will bring up the password form on the right. On the Change My Password page, you'll see fields for your current password and your new password. Type your current password carefully to confirm your identity, then enter your new password in the space provided and re-enter it to confirm. Salesforce will show you any requirements your organization has set. Things like minimum length, uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, special characters, and whether you can reuse old passwords. If you see an indicator or checklist, use it to make sure your new password meets the policy before you finalize the change. A good tip is to create a memorable passphrase or combine unrelated words with symbols so it's both strong and easy to remember. If Salesforce shows an error, double-check for typos, make sure caps lock isn't on, and verify that the new password matches in both fields. Also ensure it's different enough from recent passwords to satisfy your company's rules. When everything looks good and the fields are complete, you've done what's needed on this page. And there you go. That's all. Your password is now updated. The next time you sign in, use your new password. If your organization uses additional security, you may be prompted for verification as usual. Keep your new password somewhere secure, and consider using a trusted password manager to avoid reusing credentials across different sites. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to replay any part while you update your password. You've successfully reset your Salesforce password.